All right, we got some challenges this week. So, new rhythm here. And basically, if you play this on its own, it would just sound like a reverse gallop. But because we're doing it in the triplet way, it has a weirder feel to it. So, you play 3 notes. The third note will basically, oh, come on. There we go. Be 2 of the tripleted eighth notes. So it's basically 2 tripleted eighth notes and then 1 tripleted quarter note, which you can see a little bit more clearly over here. So 2 of the eighths, 1 of the quarter. 2 of the eighths, 1 of the quarter. So with each bar, you just play the same 3 notes 3 times. So yeah, it's just getting the foot tapping all lined up is going to be a big part of being able to pull this off correctly. So break it down into as many pieces as you need to, 1 bar at a time, 2 bars at a time, the ace ending, like the first half versus the second half. So let's see, I need to change the sound of the metronome back to what it was. So, counting the 1 and a 3, 4 and it's always going to be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 and a 3, 4 and 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 1 and a 3, 4 and. So playing that, when you go to from the first to the second bar, so you got the 7, 9, 10, and you got 10, 7, 9. So what I like to do, I hate rolling the pinky, gotta hate it. So what I do is use the ring finger for the first note in the second bar. And then after that, pinky takes over the 10. And then after that, I do roll the index finger. That's a good finger to be able to roll. So going from the 5th bar to the 6th, roll your index to get to that 7 on the G string. And then here, you're going to roll your ring finger to get from the D to the G string. So going from bar number 6 into bar 7, roll the ring finger. So roll the index finger here, roll the ring finger here. You are welcome to try rolling the pinky. Roll it, not hop it. Roll it. So don't and then take it off and back down like that. Like that runs the risk of sloppy playing. So either try rolling your pinky, or use your ring finger for the first note of the second bar, and then go to a normal group of fingers after that. All right, 120. Now let's do 100. Let's do 100 next. 1 and a 3, 4 and. One, two, 3, 4. you want to use the subdivision to help you out, do it. All right, so give 180 a go. 1 and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Goddamn. All right, that's a big ass pain in the butt. All right, number 2. Another unique rhythm here. Bit of string skipping involved, but some kind of patterns for the fingers. So basically, let's go over the left-hand stuff first. So that's basically the pattern right there. So like go in for the root, and like there's a little bit of theory here. So we go in root to 5th, so root to the 5th interval, basically your power chord right there. Down 1 notes, and just kind of working our way down, right? So we hit this up to the 5th interval, and we're all in the key of A minor right now. And then it's just down, straight down, just 1, 2, 3, 4, all in key. Instead of going back down to that note, we skip all the way up there to the D string. Same fret as that, but different string. Then the exact same frets, just moved up a string. Now, we shift over to the B note. So now the mode's changed. Now we're in Locrian. So it's still in the key of A minor, but now, you know, the distance of the notes is a little bit changed a little bit. So now we go here to a flat 5, and then just down the notes in key. Still get to hit the same fret on the string skip. Anyway, up to the A string once again. Now we're going to be in Phrygian, because, well, that's just the mode that happens when you start on E in the key of A minor. So just a good old 5th interval once again, and then just down the notes in key. Yeah, so whenever you do the string skip, it's the same fret as the beginning of the bar. Kind of a cool pattern just on its own. All right, now we apply the rhythm. So you got these 2 notes, and then it's like you play the first 2 notes in the triplet pattern. It's like the first 2 things you can do in the triplet pattern, and then on the next beat you play the last 2. And then the first 2, and then the last 2. So you got the 1 and a 3 and a, so 1 and a 3 and a 1 and a 3 and. So again, if you want to use the subdivision, do that. That's okay. 1 and a 3 and a 1 and a 3 and a 1 and a burp. God damn it. 1 and a 3 and a 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 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2. Damn. 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Terrible transition. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, maybe 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. Okay. Let's do one more accent pattern with the triplets and the palm muting. Kept debating on which key I wanted to put this in for you. Eventually settled on the key of B minor because I was going to do it in A minor, but there's a lot of stretching involved with that. I didn't want to wreck your wrist because I know it would sure as hell wreck mine if I was working this thing up. So let me know if the stretch is too bad. If the stretch is feeling like it's too much on some of this, working this up, basically just move everything up to a new fret, or a new starting point. Like maybe play it in the key of D minor instead. That's a good one too. So that would just be basically take everything, highlight all this. And in case you don't know about it, so you can highlight all that, come up here to Tools, Transpose, and then just go up 1, 2, 3. And then boom, everything's in the key of D minor. You'd have to change the key signature to get rid of all these sharps and naturals and all that stuff, but it'll still sound fine. So yeah, you have the option to do that in case the stretch as is currently written is too much and it starts to bother your wrist. So I don't want you pushing that, because then you might have a screwed up wrist like me, and that's no fun. All right, yeah, you're basically just bouncing back and forth. It's back and forth, back and forth. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Hit that last note with your index finger. Alright, let's go 100. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Whoops, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. try a little faster. Let's go for 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, that's hard. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That required a ton of concentration. All right, there we go. Any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.